Okay. Okay. Is it recording now? It is, right?
Yes.
Where B and B naught and B1 are unknown, what are the null and alternative hypotheses for B1?
C.
Okay, C. A residual, ...
C.
is the difference between the observed value Y and value predicted by the regression line. Okay. A plot of residual supports using linear regression when
A, they look normally distributed.
Okay. For the next 8 problems, use the data found in this. Use confidence variable as the explanatory variable and the score variable as the response variable. Compute the residuals for the data using software. What statement best describes the residuals?
It's A, they're between -40 and 25.
Okay, based on the plot, QQ plot for these residuals, what can you say about these residuals?
They're fairly normal, B.
Kind of like this, right? Okay. Using software to create a scatter plot of the data given the scatter plot, residuals plot, and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regressions are satisfied by this data? Check all that apply. Oh, check all that apply.
Don't you hate those questions?
Oh, yeah.
They're the worst. A, B, and C.
Oh, I like that. Okay, A, B, and C.
Mm-hmm.
What is B1, the estimate for the slope? Round to 3 decimals.
That is 12.695. Did we lose Leilani?
I know, it's like frozen.
Yeah, I don't know.
Like,
I was like, where did everybody go?
yeah, I think we lost her because I don't know.
Yeah, I don't see her.
The picture that I have is just like a, yeah.
Yeah, it almost looks like she's sleeping in the picture. That's the picture I have.
She did only get an hour
I
last
know. When she said that, I was like, I'd be napping right now. I would not.
Me too.
Totally
I'll
understandable.
talk to you guys later.
Well, shoot.
Do we just continue?
I don't know. I wonder. I doubt it's recording, right?
It just says it's still live.
Oh. You want to just keep going then?
Yeah, we can keep going and then we'll just catch her up, I guess.
Okay.
I'll write down everything.
You want to take over?
Yeah, I can do that. All right, now construct a 95% confidence interval for B1. Input your answers for the lowest bound and upper bound, or lower bound and upper bound. Input the lower bound.
Okay, lower is 10.674.
Input the upper bound.
Upper is 14.715.
Based on the evidence and using level of significance alpha equals 0.05, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for B1?
You're going to reject because the p-value is less than A. So C?
Yeah. All right, for the hypothesis test for B1 slope, if you reject the null hypothesis, what does it mean?
That there's sufficient evidence to conclude the slope of regression is not 0.
So C.
D. Yeah, D is in dog.
Oh, sufficient, not insufficient. Okay. All right. Use the data found in that for the next 5 problems. Head length was used to predict body length. For this data, which variable is the dependent variable?
The dependent's the body.
Now construct a 95% confidence interval for B1 and put your answers for the margin of error, lower bound, and upper bound. Determine the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval.
0.442.
Input the lower bound.
That's 7.218.
Input the upper bound.
Upper is 8.103.
Based on the lower bound and upper bound from the last two problems, what can you say about B1?
A, we're 95% confident.
What did you say? Do you guys want me to put these in my phone really quick for Leilani?
Yes.
I don't want to start all the. Oh yeah, because now it doesn't even say that she's on the call.
Oh yeah, she's gone.
Okay.
I don't know, bud.
See.
I'm wondering if we should hang up after. Have you guys submitted?
I did, and it was 100%.
Okay. Should we hang up and text her?
Yeah, I have all the answers on my phone now for her. So yeah, how do we stop the live?
I don't know.
I don't. Does she have to do that?
She has to because she started it.
Yeah. So is there any way we can call her back on this?
Do you want me to call her just on the phone and see? Let me call her real quick.
Okay.
We lost you. Okay, we don't, it's still recording. Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Are you there? So she answered and, but she can't hear me. So she just, so she said everything on her end just went frozen and she's gonna try to get back on.
Okay.
So I'll just text her real quick. Oh, perfect. Okay, is it ringing on your end, you guys?
I can hear, but I don't know if
I
it's
can
in
hear.
the- I don't know how to answer it.
That's funny. Okay. So I think that does a separate take me there. You're already in a video call, take me there, and the other call. Okay, so now she's on a separate one.
Okay.
It's not, hey, will you guys tell her to call me separately once you get on because it won't let me on. It's the same thing it always does.
I'm thinking we all need to just
Just hang up on this one.
Sounds good.
Okay.